Welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new project named as Pappy Vandal. I will share all the detail about the Pappy Vandal. You can get more here. So it is the last chance to buy it before it goes live. So I will share the details here. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe the button so that you can get more updates about the crypto and you can get notification for them. So I will start review here. You can see it is the last chance to buy pattern before it goes live. Last call to the arm up. The rate starts soon, so it will start in just 2 days, 16 hours, and it is given here. The current meme coin market is graveyard of broken promises. Many have been drugged too many times. Introduce Pappy Vandal, a movement to smash old meme empires and reclaim real values. This is not a project. This is a war here. So it is all that given. You can easily buy it. This video is for educational purposes, not a financial advice. So do your own research before investing in it. So you can see there days are given, which is 2 days. USD raised is given. One pattern is equal to that. You can see 79.79% is raised already. So must go and join it so that you can get. You can see you can even buy it with the ETH or you can buy it with the USDT. You can buy one USDT with 18. You can see 1501. If you want to go buy with 10 USDT, you will get 185k. You can have to just connect the wallet. For that, you have to touch on the connect. You have to touch on MetaMask, Coinbase wallet connect, or you can connect it with any wallet you are using. After that, you can easily be able to connect it here. So this is the current meme coin market is a graveyard of the broken promises. You can see it here. The current price is low. Listing price will be 6x from the pre-sale. Potential is 50x to 100x. You can see. So where it all fell apart, you can see it started with a hope. People do not break. He woke up, black hoodie, old badge, bat in hand, and reason to burn the system down. So you can see it here. The charts crashed and you can see it's everything. And you can, if I will just close that, you can see the read details. He gave it everything and they drained him dry. Alon cracked style. You can see its story is given. That moment is clicked. It's just a rug. It was the system. He did not snap. You can see then he started the mirror. No word, just the hood. That's where the war began. So it was a story here. So you can easily be able to buy it. You can join the army, lower your weapons. Just you do not invest in pattern. You arm yourself with it. This is your ticket to the raids, the ranks, the chores ahead. Grab your gear and stake your claim. So there is that you can stake the claim. The war did not wait. So you can see step one is you have to connect the wallet with MetaMask or any wallet you are using. The step second which is given is that you have to choose ETH or USDT for buying it, and you have to deposit that in your account, and then after that you have to review your loadout, confirm the transaction, and you can change with the pattern. So you can see the given here all the details. So if I go for the tokenomics here, so you can see process community votes on the next meme coin house to hit members participate by staking pattern, dropping memes, grafty and expose. You can see it here. The full fuel for the fire is they have ecosystem wall, 20%, 50% for the liquidity pool, 5% for their team, and 20% for the community airdrop. But you can see they have the large amount which is 40% here, which is for the pre-sale. So must go and join it so that you can get that opportunity from here. Revolution do not run on vibe, they run on supply. Every token was designed to arm early rebels fund futures. You can see it here, the details. You can unlock the hit it, we take it. You can see the details about that is given. The current price is low. Listing price will be 6x from the sale, and you can see they have the loot distribution. Only those who join rate get access to cut. You can see it here. They have given here music royalties, golden back token one time. You can see the details which is going here. It's not a token, it's a weapon. Core utilities as you can stake a pattern to enter the mission, unlock vaults, gain loot and eligible assets. You can see they have given here the roadmap from where you can see they have the deployed, they have the arming in phase 2. In the phase 3 they will go for the army, arm the army, which is coming soon. In next they will go for vault and order. In next if we will go for the chain spring and further on. So you can see that was all. Before going they have the FAQs. You can see the join army card which is enlist now. You can see the function is given assignment frontline and you can go for that. It is a nice way for that you can join that army. It is a nice, so you can see it here. So furthermore, I want to share with you about their white paper. This is not a coin, it's a weapon. I'm saying it again. Stake that, enter mission, unlock vault, gain loot, eligibility, assess NFT mint keys, get RWA, yield assess, and vote on raids. So they have the Vendel have the specific mechanism which differentiated from the others, that they have given here for staking for wall loot. Stake it during live raids to be continued as an eligible raider, and bigger stake bigger out, burn to break. But you can see burn it a special mission to trigger legendary events or a massive unlock. They have the NFT gating. Every Vendel NFT drop is gated by Pedan. So you can see it here, their details, your sold, your belief. You can see it will be given the meme word today. This is not a market, it's a graveyard. Scroll next through any meme coin feed and it looks same. Next 100x backed by memes powered by wise, but you know better, we all do. This is not the market, is the mass grave for the broken promises. A glitter land live yesterday tokens are not. You can see the details which is going on, their solution about that, and they're working the NFTs, their utilities which I already shared, that it's your weapon and you can hold to assess vaults. You can burn it to trigger game mechanism. You can use it to climb ranks. No passive vibe. This is not stake and chill, this is stake and attack, and you can see all that is given here. So furthermore, I want to share with you about their CoinCelt. You can see it is also on the CoinCelt, it is given and it is verified here. So furthermore, if you go and see the tech button which is the news and featured news, you can see about that. It is also given here, so it is in the news too. You can get more on it too. So furthermore, if I go here, they have a coin gabber which is given here. You can see that. You can see its news on that is also given on. Furthermore, they have also given here about you can see Fondico. You can see their details which is going on it too. So you can also join their community on the Twitter. Its news are given on the Twitter, that they news about it, their giveaways, and also all of the details, that where they are going, where they are going to be listed, and what are their next step. You can get to know about it. You can also go and join them on their Telegram channel and also on the Telegram group, so that you can be able to be a part of their army. So it was all that. This video is for educational purpose, not